Hello everyone, I am CAA Chapter, Department of Civil Engineering. So in this lecture, we are learning the preparing detailed specification. So in second class, bond brick masonry in 1:6 cement mortar. Okay, so here we are learning the detailed specification of this bond brick masonry. So first one, in case of second class brickwork, brick shall be second class and mortar shall be specified cement mortar of 1:6 proportion. The mortar joint shall not be more than 10 mm in thickness. Bricks shall soaked in water for at least 3 hours before used. Now the first one is material. So the brick shall be table molded, well burnt, copper colored, free from any cracks, fissures and defect with sharp edges. The brick shall be uniform shape and size. When two bricks stuck with each other, brick should be give the clear ringing sound. The crushing strength or compressive strength of brick shall not be less than 10.5 Newton per mm square. The brick shall not be absorbed water more than 1/5 of their weight when soaked in water for 1 hour. Now the second one is mortar. So the brickwork, the first one is the brickwork shall be worked in cement mortar and mixing of cement, sand and water shall be as per specified proportion. In case of wet sand, its utility shall be increased suitably so as to allow for bulkage. Now the second one is, in case of cement mortar, the unit of measurement shall be bag of cement. Sand shall be measured in the boxes of suitable size, that is 35 cm into 25 cm into 40 cm as per specific proportion. Now see mixing. The first one is material of mortar shall be first mixed without water until a uniform color is obtained. The mixing shall be done on a clean watertight platform. After addition of required fresh portable water, the mixture shall be mixed at least 3 times with the help of spade. Only the quantity of cement mortar which can be used within 30 minutes shall be prepared at a time. And the brick shall be well soaked in water at least 3 hours before their use. The broken brick shall not be used except as closure. The mortar joints shall break for bonding and good keep and shall not be more than 10 mm in thickness. Fourth one, the brick shall be laid with frogs upward except in the top course. The fifth one is, the brick shall be cured for at least 15 days. Now the sixth one is, for all exposed brickwork, double scaffolding shall be used. For all other brickwork in building, single scaffolding shall be permitted. And the next one is measurement. The length and the height shall be measured as on site. At the thickness of wall shall be paid for as 1 brick, 1.5 bricks, 2 bricks in cubic meter. So this is the specification for cement mortar 1:6 grade cement mortar. Okay, now the next one is the specification PCC foundation bed in the cement concrete 1:2:4. So what are the materials required for that specification? The first one is coarse aggregate, then fine aggregate, then cement and water. Okay, you can describe all this material in detail also. Now the second one is proportion. The proportion of concrete shall be 1:2:4 of cement, sand and coarse aggregate by volume unless otherwise specified. Second, for 7 days The minimum compressive strength of cement concrete 1:2:4 shall be 14 Newton per mm. The second one is no need to measure the cement by box formica, but sand and coarse aggregate shall be measured by volume with boxes or formica. Box size may be 35 cm into 35 cm into 28 cm or 30 cm into 30 cm into 38 cm, equivalent to the content of one bag of cement. For large work, mixing of ingredients shall be machine mixing, and for small work, mixing shall be done by hand mixing by batches may be permitted. All ingredients shall be dry. Bulking of sand allowance shall be made for wet sand. Now the next one is machine mixing. Cement, sand and coarse aggregate shall be taken into the machine mixer in required proportion. For concrete of proportion 1:2:4 consists of one bag of cement, 2 boxes of sand and 4 boxes of coarse aggregate shall be taken into mixer. So in hand mixing, the first one is the hand mixing is allowed for small work only. Mixing of ingredients shall be done on a masonry platform or a flat iron sheet. Now the third one is slump test. Now what is slump test? The regular slump test shall be carried out so as to check the workability of concrete mix and to control the addition of water. Now the next one is form work. So the form work and centering shall be used as per standard specification. Internal surface of formwork shall be applied by oil so as to avoid sticking of concrete during removal of the formwork. The base of the formwork shall be watered before laying the concrete on it. Laying of concrete. The concrete shall be laid gently in layers not exceeding 150 mm and compacted with rods and tamping with wooden tampers or with mechanical vibrating machine until a dense concrete is obtained. Now the next one is curing. Wet kept by covering with wet gummy bags for 24 hours and then cured by flooding with water. Making a mud wall 75 mm high or by covering with wet sand continuously for 15 days. The last one is important one, measurement. The measurement shall be taken as per drawing or as per instruction of the engineer. So this is the end of our 5th chapter, that is specification. So these are the specification we are learned, that is written in this format only. So we can't changes the language of this specification or the format of this specification. There are so many specifications available for each and every part of work in construction. For example, in brickwork of superstructure or the formwork for RCC work for irrigation structure or for WPM roads, transportation engineering system. There are so many specifications are written available in our format. Okay, so we can learn here chapter number 5th, specifications. Okay, thank you.